Building a sales pipeline that actually closes deals can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. The key is to focus on the right steps at the right time. By the end of this video, you'll know how to build a pipeline that works for your business and actually gets you results. Let's dive in. Start by identifying your ideal customer. Understand their needs, their pain points, and what drives them to buy. This is the foundation of your pipeline. Without it, you'll be wasting time on prospects who aren't the right fit. Once you know who you're targeting, break your pipeline down into stages. From lead generation to closing the deal, each stage should have a clear goal. This could be things like qualifying the lead, setting a meeting, or sending a proposal. Each stage needs to have an actionable step that moves the deal forward. Now prioritize your leads. Not all leads are created equal. Focus on the ones who are most likely to convert. This is where your lead scoring system comes in. Assign values based on how close each lead is to making a decision. This helps you focus your efforts on high priority leads, so you're not wasting time chasing people who aren't serious. Next, track your leads and activities. Without a system, it's easy to let things slip through the cracks. This is where software comes in. We'll be using a great software in this video that'll help you keep track of every lead, every interaction, and every step in your pipeline. You'll never lose a lead again, and you'll have everything you need to close more deals. In fact, you can try it for free using the exclusive link in the description below. Once you have your system in place, it's time to nurture your leads. Follow up consistently. Whether it's through email, phone calls, or social media, staying in touch keeps you top of mind. But remember, don't just push your product. Provide value, answer questions, and build trust. The more value you provide, the more likely your leads are to convert. When it comes to closing, don't be afraid to ask for the sale. After you've built trust and addressed any objections, ask for the commitment. Make the process as easy as possible for your prospect to say yes. Finally, keep your pipeline dynamic. Don't be afraid to adjust things if something's not working. The best pipelines evolve as your business grows and your customers' needs change. Always be testing and tweaking to improve your process. Here's your key takeaway. A sales pipeline that actually closes deals isn't just about having more leads. It's about having the right process. Make sure you're targeting the right customers, nurturing them with value, and tracking every step to keep things moving. To recap, you want to 1. Define your ideal customer. 2. Break your pipeline into clear stages. 3. Prioritize high-quality leads. 4. Use software to track everything. 5. Consistently follow up and add value. 6. Ask for the sale at the right time. 7. Keep refining your pipeline. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software we've used here. The link is in the description below, so click it and start building a pipeline that closes deals today.